All right, so I'm going to try to demonstrate and explain my system for IPAs. First thing we need to do is go to the website, and when we are there, the first thing we see almost every time, all the time, is what I call a do to did chart, which basically is a visual representation of the goals the individual has set for themselves and their progress in those goals. So we're going to log in and snoop around and see what this thing shows us. So we would click login in the top right hand corner, enter our email and password, click login. I logged in under Audrey, so there we have her name right there. We could look at her agency stats, Cindy's stats, Tiffany's stats, Brittany's stats, and Charcy. So we can see exactly what's going on. And it also has a really nifty goal setting feature that is what I programmed today. And you use it by going up, clicking on the goals. You can set the type of goal, whether it be an activity, app, or premium goal. So we set the activity goal. This drop-down menu comes from the flashcards, so everything matches up. So we're going to set an ask goal for, say, boat. Doesn't matter if it's customers. We're going to set it for weekly and a count of 50 per week. So this should update our graph after setting this goal into the system. So let's go ahead and click set. Now we need to assign the goal to anybody in the agency that we want. So you can make one goal and assign it to multiple users, or just one user, or a combination of users. So we will go back and notice that the red updated to show the new goal setting, and there is our new goal down there at the bottom in our goal chart. So now what we want to do is hit this goal. So the flashcards are what provide the means to track the activity, and we don't currently have a boat setting in there, so we need to unhide it so that it's available in our flashcard menu. And what we would do is go up and click on boat, and it brings up not only a flashcard for tracking our progress in the goal, which we can turn on and off. In this case, it'd be on. Now we're going to turn it back on. But also provides workable, repeatable processes. So this would be an example of a pivot into the ask, which is the goal. And there's the designated word track we could use when hitting there. And sure enough, there is the ask count on the chart and shows us that we're at a whopping 2% of this goal. So we can click on agency and see that the Cindy's got no boat goals. Tiffany's hit no boat goals. So it's very, very convenient with the click of a button. And we haven't assigned anything to Brittany. So that's why we see no table down there below her chart. So we're going to click on boat again. This time we're going to make a dial. Somebody answers. We open. We ask. And we can go back and see that we got another ask count, which also increased our goal, the accomplishment on our goal, from 2% to whopping 4%. And I'm probably going to change that to be more user-friendly, visible. So I just got to put a multiply by 100. So in here, we could actually log the results. And if we type in the customer's name, it pops up to automatically load into our system so that we could log the result for that individual. And with these features, we could query any kind of data in order to basically find patterns to improve performance. Once the production is logged, it shows up in production reports for us, which are queryable. We could use a time card system for tracking the hours that we've been in the office. We also have the normal count settings where we can have the ability to add to our production features. Everything's customizable in the system for IPAs, 100%, making it much more user-friendly. So again, there's just so much. So we're going to go ahead and log out. Oh wait, we're going to delete the goal. So now that that goal is deleted, watch the chart will go back to the original setting that it was. Now we'll log out. And when people are logged out, it kind of shows my data. So there's a variety of scorecard menus there. This would be a activity production report that we could see daily, weekly, or monthly. We have activity to sales, which is a great way to see patterns between effort and reward. And Liz have done nothing. Todd's been the most consistent. The dude that did, this is an awesome chart. This is also these tools are basically utilized in my training to help people to understand the art of technique, the value of income producing activities, and how to find patterns in an effort to master the activities that bring production. So I guess in a nutshell, that's what I would say the system for IPAs does.